Hi everyone, I'm now at the Surin Hotel in Phuket and I am going to show you the WeChat mini program that we have developed for this hotel and how it works in real life. So I just checked in, I got a very nice room, and normally for overseas hotels it's typical to have a very nice hotel directory like this hotel, all in English. Sometimes they have Chinese translation, but still it's all in paper. And as we know, Chinese is very digital savvy, and they have WeChat on the phone, and WeChat is like an ecosystem on the day-to-day life. So what we do is we develop a mini program to enhance the stay experience for the Chinese guests. So now you see the QR code, and that's the instruction. So a normal Chinese will open up WeChat, and then we'll go to scan the QR code. So you see very quickly the WeChat mini program is an app inside WeChat. It doesn't need to be downloaded. Just a scan of the QR code, it will come up right away. So you can see this is the mini program we developed for the Surin Hotel, and a nice photo, five-star hotel, the address in Chinese, and the phone number. And also what is also good is that's the location. So it's the GPS that will show where I am and where the hotel is. So no matter where I go within Phuket during my stay, I can always go back to this WeChat mini program, open it up, and show the address, even in Thai, in the map to my taxi driver, so I can always come back home very safely. And also I will know how far away I am and in which area, so I can use the map within here. And this hotel, the Surin Hotel, is pinned, so I can always know how to come back. So moving on, the WeChat mini program that we developed for overseas hotels is basically to capture auxiliary revenue. So what that means is, instead of just hotel room, because you're already here, you book a room already, it's more for the dining. Chinese love food, love shopping, activities. They like local experience, and some of the information about their stay experience. So move on, because for the stay first. So now when I book the lowest category for the room, which is quite typical when I do the shopping to book a hotel. But then when I arrive looking at the beautiful beach outside, I'm thinking maybe I can upgrade to a one-bedroom hillside cottage, because the upgrade fee is not that much. So let me take a look. Okay, for about $100 I can upgrade to a cottage, a hillside cottage. Oh wow, I have a balcony facing the beach and a hillside cottage. So this is how big the room will be, all the information. So if I want, I can actually confirm and book it, and then someone will get back to me with the upgrade information. So moving right on. So there are other room types, all the room types in the hotel that I know how much would it be to upgrade to a certain type of room categories. And then during my stay, transportation is very important to me, for any Chinese as well. For example, airport transfer or car rental. Oh, I didn't know that for a Mercedes-Benz, actually it doesn't cost that much for the airport transfer. So let me take a look. Maybe when I go back to the airport, I can book the Mercedes-Benz and enjoy myself and have everything pre-booked. So it looks good. I can actually put in the date for my departure. So stay here for 3 days, and I'm having a flight later on, so maybe a 2:15 pickup will be good. And then okay, and then I can press book now. Okay, and then it will be in my shopping cart. So let me book that. And moving on, after the room upgrade and transport information, now I go to the dining, the eating part. So, oh, wonderful. The hotel has a lot of nice restaurant, and that's a free afternoon tea for in-house guests. Let me take a look. Okay, so I have all the information, and I even have a review from another Chinese guest who stayed here before and say, "Oh, it's free. Please enjoy." So, oh, I know it's real, and I can book for 2 person, and then I can enjoy it, and then I can reserve. And what I'm more interested is the wonderful beachside, beachfront candlelight dinner. So let me take a look. You know, that two word here means menu. So let me take a look at the menu and see, what is included. Sorry. Yep. Okay. So, okay, the menu in Chinese to let me know. Oh, those are all the things included. So good for my celebration. So that's great. And okay, this is the charge. So I can actually book it. Again, I can press book now, and then you'll be in the shopping cart, and then I can arrange everything. And now this time, there's no review yet, but after I have this experience, I can actually write my own review, and then write my comments here. And then after I did that, give them a 5-star rating, and then submit. And then next time, when another Chinese guest use this WeChat mini program, they can look at my review to know what is good about the candlelight dinner, something to watch, something to order specifically to make it more enjoyable, so I can put all my tips there. So moving right on. So after, the room upgrade, transportation, the dining facilities, now it comes to the playing part, which is spa. Oh, wow. In Thailand, definitely you need spa, swimming pool, gym, even speedboat to an island, and sunset cruise. Okay, great. Take a look at the spa first. I know all the information. I got the reviews. Okay. And sunset cruise, like I'm here for celebration. So it's great that I know the price. Again, with all the details and with reviews, and I can book it. Whenever you see, book now, I can book the sunset cruise. Okay, so that's what I would do and put it in the shopping cart as well. And the last part, but not least, is the shopping part. So can buy anything from the gift shop, wonderful shampoo and conditioner that I use at the hotel. I want to buy it home. Oh, wait. Okay, champagne and flower for celebration. Absolutely. So again, you can order, the amount, and then you can book, and then you'll be in the shopping cart. And actually, I really like the shampoo. So I will book the shampoo and put in the shopping cart as well. Okay, so now actually if you use the mini program, it's actually more than just a static hotel directory will do, and it helps to encourage people to spend more money at your hotel, and it's convenient because all the information is in Chinese. And now I can go to the shopping cart and I can look at all the things that I order. So I'm happy with the airport transfer, with the car rental, with the sunset cruise, and with the champagne. And this is the total amount that I need to pay. And then I can go and check out and place the order. So I can easily put in my name and put in the room number. So remarks, contact me in my room. Okay, and then I can submit my order. So this means, you can either choose if the hotel has if the hotel has WeChat Pay, we can also include WeChat Pay as a form of payment, but sometimes the guests need to confirm all the detail with the hotel first. So this is more like a pay upon usage or upon arrival. So confirm the order, and then the order is saying, oh, the order has been successfully submitted, and someone will get back to you. So basically, that's how the WeChat mini program works. and is an excellent tool for Chinese traveler because they get everything on hand inside the WeChat ecosystem, and when they get home, they do not need to worry about the space and everything on WeChat because it's already it doesn't need to be downloaded. It doesn't use up any space. So it's a very good app to use upon the arrival when they're in the area. So I hope you enjoy the WeChat mini program that we developed for our hotel, and hope it will be useful for your hotel as well. Thank you.